Welcome to Dipansh video time. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can create a countdown to new year using Python. So as you can see, I'll get an output something like this. Okay, so first you'll need to import some modules that you don't need to download. So first you have to type from date util dot relative delta import relative delta. You don't have to import all of these from pip install. Then you have to put import. So from, remember our datetime variable module we used in the previous video? Put that. So from datetime import date. Well, we don't need date. You have to import date time. Okay? Then you will know the today things. So today is equal to date dot. So date time dot today. Then we can print today is today. Let's test this out. And yeah, we have the time of today. 2022, 416, 10, 19, 20.489950. Okay, it's working till now. So, instead of putting this to today, we can put this name to dt, date. Then put this to dt. Then name a variable called dt2, date2, and put this, date time. Put this, so dt dot year plus 111,000. So that is the code we need. Then after that, we can put dt3 to this value. Relative delta. So put relative delta to dt2 and dt. And yep, we have everything we need right now. Now, what we need to do is to do all the other things. Like here, you can put another print statement. Now, that print statement, put the exact values. Here, put this to dt3 dot year. Then you have to put months to dt3 dot month. Then you have to put days to dt3 dot days. Dot days dot day. Then another one, which will be our minutes to dt3 dot dt3 dot minute, and then finally seconds. Make sure to put a gap every one now after one, from there and there. To 83 dot second. And let's test this out. So see, it's saying none. So why is that? Put S after each of them. The days, minutes, and seconds. And now it should work. Yes, now it's working. So year is 0, months is 8. So because it's April, days is 15, minutes is 36 minutes, and seconds is 58. And now you have a working countdown to New Year. But this isn't it. I want it to be in UI. Now, if you wanted to put it to UI, follow me. Well, if you do not, you can end the video. So, I want to put it in date. So, put TK. So, you can import TK into as usual. Then, you can create your window. So, window is equal to TK into.tk, and then you can go all to the end and put your window name. So window.menu. Now, if we run it, you will have the screen. Now let's just put a window.geometry to 500. So we'll have a little bit bigger window, so that's good. So we have our DT3, right? Put a show thing, like show is equal to all of these items. So Control C, go back there, Control V. You can delete the print over here. And you can delete that print for today. So all we have will be this. Then you can add a label. So label is equal to tkenter dot label. Text is equal to our show variable. And then after that we can dot grid. Row is equal to 50, I would say, and column is equal to 50. Let's test this. So there we have the years and months and everything. We can just put it to 0 and 0. And yep, there we go. We have the year 0, months is 8, days is 15, minutes is 33, and seconds is 51. And there we go. I hope you like this. Please like and subscribe. Until next time, Dipansh video time is out. Bye. See you in the next video.